Hello, my name is Ed. Welcome to TechEd's Tip of the Week for Excel 2010. Do you ever want to just stop the insanity? Are you always saving different versions of the same workbook due to display settings or print settings? Now you can custom view your work so that you can revert back to those previous settings without having to constantly save your workbooks with several odd file names. I'm going to demonstrate this using custom views. First, I'm going to select the View tab. You should see to the left Custom Views. I'm going to click on the Custom Views button. I'm going to save my original work so I can revert back to it later on. So I'm going to click Add, and I'm going to call this Original Settings. Click OK. And so now in my custom views, I have my original settings. Now say later on I want certain print settings for when I go to print. So I'm going to create a new settings, a new custom view. I'm going to go to the Page Layout tab. I'm going to select Orientation, and I want to use the landscape orientation from when I print. So I'm going to select Landscape. I also want to have wide margins, so I'm going to select the margins. And I'm going to click on wide, 1 inch by 1 inch. And then I want to add a header. So I'm going to select the Insert tab, click on Header and Footer, and I'm going to add a header and I'm going to name it Number Sheet. Okay, now I need to save my custom view. So we're going to go back to the View tab, click on Custom Views, click on Add. We're going to call this Print Setting. Click OK. And now I have two custom views, Print Setting and Original Setting. We're going to go back to the original settings. So I'm going to click on Custom Views. I'm going to make sure Original Settings highlighted and click Show. Okay, now say later on as I'm working I want to hide certain rows and columns. So I'm going to select the rows that I want to hide, right click and click on Hide, select the columns I want to hide, right click, click on Hide, and now I'm going to save this custom view for later on. So I'm going to select again Custom Views from the View tab, I'm going to click Add, and we're going to call this one Hidden Cells. Click OK. And now you'll see that I have three custom views in my custom views window: Hidden Cells, Original Settings, and Print Settings. Go back to Original Settings. So remember, if you don't want to have to constantly keep saving those workbooks and you want to stop the insanity, Custom Views is your button of choice. Again, my name is Ed. Thank you. Have a nice day.